Get ready to sip your way to healthier blood pressure. In today's video, we're diving into the world of delicious and heart-healthy teas that might just be your new secret weapon against high blood pressure. From the vibrant hibiscus to the soothing chamomile, we've got a lineup of teas that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also have potential health benefits for your cardiovascular system. So grab your favorite mug and join us as we explore these teas that say goodbye to high blood pressure in the most delicious way possible. Number 10. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, derived from the vibrant hibiscus flower, has gained popularity for its potential to promote cardiovascular health, including the management of high blood pressure. This crimson-hued herbal infusion is believed to work by inhibiting an enzyme that constricts blood vessels, thus contributing to a reduction in blood pressure levels. Several studies have suggested that regular consumption of hibiscus tea may lead to modest but significant drops in both systolic blood pressure. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea, a time-honored beverage originating from China, has garnered attention for its potential cardiovascular benefits, which may include the management of high blood pressure. This tea is renowned for its abundant catechin content, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a powerful antioxidant known for its vasodilatory effects. Some studies suggest that the regular consumption of green tea can contribute to lower blood pressure by helping relax blood vessels and improving endothelial function. Number 8. Oolong tea. Oolong tea, with its semi-oxidized leaves, offers a unique blend of flavors and potential health benefits that may extend to blood pressure management. Positioned between green and black tea in terms of oxidation, oolong tea retains many of the antioxidant polyphenols found in both varieties. These compounds, such as catechins and theaflavins, have been associated with cardiovascular health. While research specific to oolong tea's effects on blood pressure is somewhat limited compared to green or black tea, it is believed that regular consumption may help support overall cardiovascular wellness by improving blood vessel function, reducing inflammation, and contributing to better blood pressure regulation. Number 7. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea, brewed from the leaves of the lemon balm plant, is celebrated for its calming and stress-relieving properties, which can indirectly contribute to blood pressure management. High stress levels are often linked to elevated blood pressure, and lemon balm's soothing effects may help alleviate stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing the body's stress response. Lemon balm tea may have a positive impact on blood pressure. Number 6. Hawthorn tea. Hawthorn tea, made from the leaves, berries, or flowers of the hawthorn plant, has a long history of use as a natural remedy for heart-related conditions, including high blood pressure. Rich in flavonoids, antioxidants, and compounds like proanthocyanidins, hawthorn is believed to have several potential benefits for cardiovascular health. It may help dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce resistance in the arteries, which can lead to lower blood pressure. Additionally, hawthorn is thought to have mild diuretic properties, which can aid in reducing excess sodium and fluid retention, both of which can contribute to hypertension. Number 5. Garlic tea. Garlic tea, made by infusing crushed or minced garlic cloves in hot water, is renowned not only for its distinctive flavor, but also for its potential health benefits, including its impact on blood pressure. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound known for its various health-promoting properties, including potential blood pressure reduction. Allicin may help relax blood vessels and increase nitric oxide production, which can lead to improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. However, it's important to note that the effects of garlic on blood pressure may vary among individuals. and the consumption of garlic tea alone is unlikely to replace prescribed antihypertensive medications for those with hypertension. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea, brewed from the root of the ginger plant, is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its potential positive impact on blood pressure. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, which have been studied for their ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. These effects may contribute to a modest reduction in blood pressure. Additionally, ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can benefit cardiovascular health. Number 3. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea, derived from the bark of cinnamon trees, is known not only for its delightful flavor, but also for its potential to promote cardiovascular health, which may include benefits for blood pressure. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been studied for their anti-inflammatory and blood pressure regulating properties. Some research suggests that regular consumption of cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity, which can indirectly help with blood pressure management, especially in individuals with insulin resistance. Number 2. Olive leaf tea. Olive leaf tea, crafted from the leaves of the olive tree, has gained recognition for its potential to promote cardiovascular health, which includes the management of blood pressure. The olive leaf is rich in compounds such as oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, which are believed to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help relax blood vessels, reduce oxidative stress, and improve endothelial function, all of which can contribute to better blood pressure regulation. While the research on olive leaf tea's direct effects on blood pressure is ongoing, incorporating it into your daily routine can be a flavorful way to support heart health. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, renowned for its soothing and calming properties, may indirectly contribute to blood pressure management by helping reduce stress and anxiety. High stress levels can trigger a cascade of physiological responses, including an increase in blood pressure. Chamomile tea, with its gentle floral flavor, has been traditionally used to alleviate stress, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. By reducing stress and aiding in relaxation, chamomile tea can play a role in supporting overall cardiovascular wellness. While it may not directly lower blood pressure like some other teas, it can be a valuable addition to your daily routine for its potential to help manage the emotional and psychological factors associated with hypertension. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of blood pressure-friendly teas. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take care.